होती जीत सत्य की और असत्य की हार, यही संदेश देता है दशहरा का त्योहार। Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, commendable staff members, and all the students who have joined us today to celebrate the victory of good over evil, creation over destruction, justice over injustice, and dignity over oppression. Today, I, Aditi, along with Ankur, extend my warm welcome to all of you on this special occasion of Dashera.
The festival of Dashera is also known by the name of Vijayadashami. Prior to Dashera, people observe 9 days of fasting. The celebration is marked by Durga Puja in West Bengal and the traditional folk dance Garba and Dandiya in Gujarat.
It is a mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of any important event. Long story short, let's commence this ceremony by chanting the holy Gayatri Mantra. I request all of you to join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for Gayatri Mantra.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Now, I would like to request all of you to get ready for the song which reminds DAVians of their duty towards the institution, society, and the nation. Song which is the feeling of all DAVians. Let's get ready for the DAV anthem.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए डीएवी जय जय। दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले, हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले, धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय। डीएवी जय जय, डीएवी जय जय। सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें, प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे। सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय, लिए अटल निश्चय। डीएवी जय जय, डीएवी जय जय।
चाहे दुनिया में कितनी अलग अलग भाषाएं हो जाएं, लेकिन संगीत से अच्छी कोई भाषा नहीं हो सकती जिसे हम सब समझते हैं। Now I would like to call Prachi Chaudhary and Soumya Jha to present a melodious Ram Bhajan in front of you all.
Jai Shri Ram. That was really thought provoking. Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words. Now, I would like to invite Omna Surma of pre primary to take this event forward by reciting a poem.
समय की बात है, बहुत समय की बात है। एक राजा था, दशरथ उसका नाम था, दशरथ उसका नाम था। राजा की 3 रानियां थी, राजा की 3 रानियां थी। कौशल्या, सुमित्रा, कैकई। राजा के 4 बेटे थे, राजा के 4 बेटे थे। राम, लक्ष्मण, भरत, शत्रुघ्न। मंत्रा नाम की दासी थी, मंत्रा नाम की दासी थी। बहुत चला, बहुत होशियार, बहुत चला, बहुत होशियार। भरत उसको प्यारा था, भरत उसको प्यारा था। राजा उसे बनाना था, राजा उसे बनाना था। राजा बोले क्या चाहती हो कैकई रानी? राजा बोले क्या चाहती हो कैकई रानी? राज भरत को, वनवास राम को। राज भरत को, वनवास राम को। राम को वनवास हुआ, राम को वनवास हुआ। लक्ष्मण सीता ने साथ दिया, लक्ष्मण सीता ने साथ दिया। छोटी सी एक कुटी बनाई, छोटी सी कुटी बनाई। राज ठाट सब ठुकराया, राज ठाट सब ठुकराया। लंका का था राजा राम, लंका का था राजा रावण। हा हा हा, हा हा हा। सीता को उसे पाना था, सीता को उसे पाना था। स्वर्ण किरण उसने भेजा था, स्वर्ण किरण उसने भेजा था। जिसने सीता का मन मोह लिया, जिसने सीता मन मोह लिया। मेरे प्रभु हिरण चाहिए, हिरण चाहिए। राम गए हिरण की खोज में, राम गए हिरण की खोज में। लक्ष्मण सीता को वन में छोड़ा, लक्ष्मण सीता को वन में छोड़ा। देर हुई जब राम न आए, देर हुई जब राम न आए। सीता का मन बहुत घबराया, सीता का। बचाओ बचाओ, आवाजें आई। तुम भी जाओ लक्ष्मण भाई, तुम भी जाओ लक्ष्मण भाई। लक्ष्मण ने फिर रेखा बनाई, लक्ष्मण ने फिर रेखा बनाई। बाहर न आना सीता माई, बाहर न आना सीता माई। रावण साधु वेश में आया, रावण साधु वेश में आया। भिक्षा की आवाज लगाई, भिक्षा की आवाज लगाई। भिक्षाम देहि, भिक्षाम देहि। सीता भिक्षा लेकर आई, सीता भिक्षा लेकर आई। रावण ने रेखा पार कराई, रावण ने रेखा पार कराई। खाली कुटिया राम ने देखी, खाली कुटिया राम ने देखी। दर दर भटके सीता की खोज में, दर दर भटके सीता की खोज में। सीते सीते आवाज लगाई। हनुमान ने हाथ बढ़ाया, हनुमान ने हाथ बढ़ाया। वानर सेना साथ मिलाया, वानर सेना साथ मिलाया। युद्ध हुआ तब खंडन हुआ, युद्ध हुआ तब खंडन हुआ। रावण को मार गिराया,
Thank you, Omna. That was really a great one. Indrayani purajitva jitan tribhuvanam tvaya smaridbhiriv tadvairam indrayairev nirjitah. Now, to add more spirituality to the environment, I would like to invite Ishani Keshirwani of class 4th to sing Ram Stuti.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Haran Bhavamaya Tarunam Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Haran Bhavamaya Tarunam Navakanjalochan Kanja Kanja Pada Kanjanam Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Kandarpaganita chavi navanina niran sundaram patapitamanam karitaruchi suchi nami janakasutaram Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Haran Bhavamaya Tarunam Shri Ram, Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Haran Bhavamaya Tarunam Shri Ram, Shri उदार अंग विभूषण आजानुभुज सर चाकदर संग्रामजित खर भूषण श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजन हरण भवमय दारुणं श्री राम, श्री इति वनति तुलसी कंजलोचन कंजमुखतर कंज पद कंजारम श्री राम श्री राम।
Wow, what a heart-touching and soul-lacing performance. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. Now, it's time for a graceful dandiya performance presented by the students of class 2nd.
ঢাক বাজা কাসর বাজা উলু দে আর শাখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা বলো দুর্গা মাই কি বলো দুর্গা মাই কি আরে বলো দুর্গা মাই কি আরে বলো দুর্গা মাই কি
रंगलो हे रंगलो जमकालिंदड़ीने घाटो गाड़ा तारा ओरे छगिला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग भेरू जुए तारी बाट रंगलो रंगलो जमकालिंदड़ीने घाटो
Wow, that was mesmerizing. Let's invite Kanishka Patra of 9th E, Astha Singh of 8th E, and Priyal of 8th F to stage an expressive Kathak dance performance in front of you all.
अनन्तरूपिणि नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि प्रणतपालिनी देवी
विश्वदेहिनि गिरीशदेहिनि विश्वदेहिनि भुवनमोहिनि त्रिगुणशालिनि भुवनमोहिनि त्रिगुणशालिनि मङ्गले कलमूलनाशिनि हृदि कलश प्रक्षालिनी देवी देवी
Wow, what an amazing dance performance it was. How can we celebrate Dashera without having a glimpse of the epic Ramayana? So, now I would like to invite students for Ramayan dramatization.
किंडरगार्टन के सभी नन्हे मुन्ने छात्रों की ओर से दशहरा के कार्यक्रम में आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं। आइए हम सभी देखते हैं उस कथा को जो हमारे रोम रोम में अंकित है। ये कथा है असत्य पर सत्य की जीत की कथा है उन श्री राम की जिनके नाम से हमारे मन का अंधकार
सीता राम और लक्ष्मण की दशरथ जी के बेटे राम करते हैं सब जिन्हें प्रणाम। उनको जब वनवास हुआ मन सीता का उदास हुआ। सीता की रक्षा के लिए खींची रेखा लक्ष्मण ने बोले उनसे छोड़ के द्वार जाना मत रेखा के पार।
आवाज कितनी मधुर है। हाँ, और कितनी कुशलता से वीणा भी बजा रहे हैं। हाँ, वे दोनों बड़े ही प्रतिभाशाली हैं।
घर में नहीं थे जब लक्ष्मण बन के साधु आया रावण। सीता से भिक्षा मांगी सीता ने रेखा लांगी। फिर भिक्षा लेकर रावण सीता को ले गया करके हरण। राम और लक्ष्मण जब घर आए सीता से घर का ही पार। सुन के बात जटायु की निकले खोज में सीता की। साथ में लेकर लक्ष्मण को ढूंढने निकले रावण को। रास्ते में हनुमान मिले और सुग्रीव थे आन मिले। हुए वानर सेना लेके चले। सामने बड़ा समुंदर था सेतु बनाया पत्थर का। करके पार महासागर कर दी चढ़ाई लंका पर।
रावण मिट जाएगा परंतु झुकेगा नहीं। रावण मिट जाएगा परंतु झुकेगा नहीं।
राम ने अंत में युद्ध जीता मिल गई उन्हें अपनी सीता। लौट के आए अपने नगर फिर किया राज अयोध्या चली थी ये इच्छा प्रजा की, राम की हुई फिर जय जयकार, सज गया फिर उनका दरबार। है ये कथा रामायण की, सीता राम और लक्ष्मण की, है ये कथा रामायण की, सीता राम और लक्ष्मण की।
Wow, the performance was worth appreciating. A time for celebration, a time when world see the power of good. Let us continue the same true spirit. Now comes the most awaited part of this event. To again remark the victory of good over evil, let's burn the effigy of Ravana.
Today is the day when we burn all our sins and promise to begin all over again. Flames come and take all the darkness away. Light shines and makes its own way. Because this is the day when truth wins. With this, I would like to invite respected Principal Ma'am to shower her blessings upon us.
Thank you, Aditi. And we have been witnessing a wonderful program on this special Dashera celebration. Dear students, I was reading the comments that you have been typing, and I do understand that yes, you are missing the celebrations that we used to have in the physical form, as in the burning of the effigy of Ravana. And I also remember that all of you would write one negative quality that you want to get rid of, and all those pieces of paper were then collected and put in this effigy of Ravan, and then the Ravan was burnt. Yes, we are missing all that, but let us also remember that these are different times, and different times are not always difficult, but they also have a number of opportunities. You just saw a wonderful event, yes, in the online mode, but wasn't it great? So wonderfully hosted by our wonderful students, Ankur and Aditi. You did a wonderful job, Ankur and Aditi. It was a pleasure to watch you conducting this special assembly so beautifully. And the song that was sung by Prachi and Soumya, that again was very nice. And so was that poem by Omna, which gave us a complete series of events that took place and that we now call as the Ramayana. Ishani also gave us a wonderful insight into Ramayana by the Ram Stuti that she sung so beautifully. And then the dance performance by the students of class 2, followed by the Kathak dance recital by Kanishka, Asti and Priyal, and that absolutely stunning Ram Katha that was depicted by the students of kindergarten. And then, yes, burning of the effigy of Ravana. So I am sure that, we have enjoyed it, but at the same time, we have also learned a number of things through these events. And of course, I should not fail to mention the hard work by the parents, because each and every child who performed in the online mode today was also, it also speaks about the hard work that was put by the parents. And so thank you so much, dear parents, for ensuring that this special assembly was a success. Now, I told you that I had been reading the comments that were there. So many of you have been asking about the Dussehra break. Yes, dear students, the Dussehra break is from 23rd October to 25th October. That means it is for 3 days. So those 3 days, of course, you will not be having any periods related to academics, but then your teachers will let you know, or if you want that there should be some classes, please share your views with your teachers and we will work accordingly. One message that I want to give you, once again, I speak about it every year by asking you a question first, that when Lord Ram came back from Lanka after, he killed Ravan, did the people of Ayodhya burst crackers? Did they pollute the atmosphere? No, they purified it by burning diyas, by lighting these earthen diyas with either ghee or oil. And what are we doing? We are putting the electric lights. We are thinking of bursting crackers for, seeing some colorful light or hearing some noise for a few seconds. And after that, what about all that smoke that pollutes the atmosphere? If you had been observing the atmosphere and the environment and you compare it to August, you would understand that now the sky is not that clear, and you can feel that there are a lot of pollutants. Who is responsible? We can play a blame game. We can say, oh, it is because somebody is burning parali. Oh, it is because there are too many cars on the road. Well, at least we can do what is possible at our end. So my request once again to all of you is, do not burst crackers this Diwali. And like we take a pledge every year, we are going to take one this year also, not to burst crackers. And yes, what we are going to do is bring a smile to somebody's face. And that can be by helping someone, by providing something warm. Winters are here, almost here. So let us try and see the winter clothes that we have and which don't fit us anymore. And probably we can give it to somebody who needs them more than us. So that way we can provide warmth and we can give some diyas, some biscuits to the people who probably are unable to buy it this year because of the large economic constraints that many of them are facing. So dear students, once again, remember that these are different times and let us make it, let us make a difference by having celebrations which bring a smile to the faces of a large number of people. Once again, I thank all the teachers who ensured that this visual delight, which was a perfect amalgamation of technology also. I could see how those students were put together in the same frame, and that was really a delight to watch. So thank you so much, dear teachers, dear students, and of course parents, because your work also was clearly visible. And a happy Dussehra to all of you. Let us once again take this pledge to have an environment-friendly celebration this year also, especially because we are all a community that belongs to ML Khanna DAV Public School that always holds its head high when it comes to environment protection. So God bless us all and thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your enlightening words. Now it's time to end this wonderful assembly. We were glad to have you all today. On this auspicious day, I wish you every happiness and the fulfillment of all your dreams. Now get ready for Shanti part.
ॐ द्यौ शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगुं शान्तिपृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
On the happy occasion of Dussehra, I pray that Lord Ram fills your life with lots of happiness, prosperity and success. Happy Dussehra to you and your family. Once again, happy Dussehra to you all and thank you for joining us today.